Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some hidden secret codes for the Samsung Galaxy M21. So for that we will need the dialer for, and now we can start with the first code. It's *#0*#. Now we are in a test mode, and so we can check our phone, maybe like the color red, so it's very clear on the display, so just tap to get back here. Then green looks also very nice. Blue, now we know how it looks like. And yeah, so you can check here the colors and see if there's a problem with the display or something like this. Okay, then we have the receiver. This is the phone, so just tap here on the screen to go back. The vibration, so permanent vibration, whatever you want to do with this feature. Okay, let's go back by tapping here on the screen, so we can check the mega cam, so it's the rear cam here on the back. And yeah, you can also take a picture and so on. So you will take a picture with all the 3 cams and you can check them after. And yeah, just go back here with arrow. Okay, let's go to the next point. It's the grip sensor. It's the one here on the top. It's also in the camera. It's very important if you're maybe on the phone, so the screen has to turn off, and this sensor is responsible for that, so it should work. And just double tap here to go back. So then we have the sensors like the accelerometer, the gyroscope sensor and so on. So you will see some data here on the screen. I don't know if you see that, it's moving crazy. You can make a finger test here, fingerprint test, and so on and so on. Okay, if we want to go back, just double tap here on the arrows. Okay, the next what we want to have is touch. It's a nice game. We have to swipe along these blocks here to make them green. So this is how you can check if there's a problem on the touch screen. Oh, I'm good here. So yeah, you have to fulfill all the blocks to get out there. So then we can check the speakers. Very nice, so it works. So as you can see, you can check much on your phone if there's a problem or something like this. So very nice to know. Then we can check also the sub keys. These are these ones here. Looks also well. If you double tap, you can go back on the arrow, as I said. Okay, then let's check the front cam, so you know now how I work. Hi. And you can also take a picture as well and so on. We had that already with the rear cam. So double tap here to come back. We can make a sensor hard test. Passed. And we can check the black screen. So here we can see if the display have any scratches or something like this. So here we have no bar now. This is the only point where you can just go back here with the power button. So just press the power button where you can come back. And then we have here the version. The version is very nice because you can check the model number you have, and you can check on the internet if your phone is real or not. I did another video for that if you're interested in it. And yeah, so this is nice to know as well. And so let's go back with double tapping here. Then we are back here at the dialer, and we can go to the next code. I want to show now the battery status. So *#0228#, and we are now at the battery status. So first of all, we see the voltage, and so the current value, and we see the level of charging of the battery, so it's 40% actually. We see the level block, so it's 4 blocks. Yeah, so it's nice to know, but please never go here on quick start, because you will do a little reset of the phone, and the operating system could be damaged after. So don't tap here on quick start. Okay, so just go back here on the arrows. Okay, let's come to the last mode. So *#9090#. This is a service mode, but this is just something interesting if you are a developer or something like this. So you can check some stuff here. But my favorite is the first part we had in our video, the test mode. You should really check it out. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, or it would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.